Hey, what's up guys? It's Big Man Savage Dan back with another Nintendo Switch unboxing. Today I have SNK 40th Anniversary Collection. And this is the golden age of SNK, guys, before the Neo Geo was big. So a lot of older titles, some of them a little more dated than others. I think some of them still hold up well today though. So excited about getting it, guys. I was kind of on the fence about it for a while, but then they announced some free DLC coming. So as a collector of older games as well as new games, I think this is really cool to have on a modern day console to enjoy on a 1080p television. But just kind of getting you guys a look at the box here. Mainly just an unboxing, guys, but I like to give a little bit of details on the game as I do an unboxing. So in case you do have any questions though, guys, feel free to ask those and I'll try to get you an answer. But return to the golden age of arcade gaming. Enjoy some of SNK's finest classics in 1080p, from Crystallis to Ikari Warriors. Rewind and save lets you pick up from anywhere, anytime, and travel through time and relive history with SNK with high-def artwork and promo assets. Sorry guys, couldn't fight that cough off. But really cool love letter to the classic days of gaming, guys. And from what I hear in all the reviews, you get really cool history and artwork and just cool things about the old arcades themselves. But just to name a few of the cool games included, you get Alpha Mission, Athena, Crystallis, Ikari Warriors, Prehistoric Isle. That's one of the games I'm looking forward to playing the most. It's like a shoot 'em up, side scroller shoot 'em up game. POW. I don't really think any of those are pictured on the back. Ikari Warriors 3, you can kind of see that right there. Never played that one, and it looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like a top-down version of POW. So, and then you get, I'll just go ahead and be opening this, but in the future we're going to get some DLC, like I mentioned. And one of the ones I'm most excited about is Beast Busters, which is an old light gun arcade. So I hope they do it right and allow us to use the little remotes to like as guns, whatever. I hope it's just not like a joypad controlling a cursor, I mean. So hopefully we'll get some cool way where we can use the sensors and all that good stuff. And let's just open this up and shut up. Oh man, that's kind of disappointing. I was really hoping for at least some artwork on the inside for a arcade collection, but I mean, what can we ask for nowadays, huh? But I'll get you a good look at the game card itself, guys. So short and sweet. A little technical support and stuff like that on there. But man, maybe I should have splurged and went for the like the collector's edition they did on their website. But didn't really want to pay the extra money for that. Wasn't too excited about the things included, but I am curious to see what the box art and all that stuff is like. But there you have it, guys. Short and sweet. Like I said, if you have any questions, just leave them below and I'll get you an answer if I can. But besides Beast Busters, I was going to say Bermuda Triangle and a couple other ones that have been announced. I'll leave a link in the description, guys, if you want to check out the website for SNK, and it has a bunch of more information about this game. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time for more unboxings. See you later, guys. Peace out.